Cravings, kicks, and other baby bump quirks will vary from one pregnant woman to another. Each one will have a different story, and therefore, different advice to give. While some advice and myths are harmless, others can be cause for misunderstanding. When it comes to food intake, moderation is key. Same goes with another misconception: sex during pregnancy.
We sought the advice of our doctor, so we did it as a team. So my doctor, my husband, and me. We somehow found the guidance that we needed from our doctor, and it made it less scary after that.
Making love or having sex during pregnancy will have its benefits. First, it releases endorphins, so the mommy actually generally feels happier. And when you feel happier, there's less perception of pain. Tapos, mas maganda ang glow niya, and meron ding mga sinasabi na it can actually help make a normal delivery easier kasi na-exercise yung vaginal muscles.
It is generally safe to have sex during pregnancy as long as the pregnancy is a normal pregnancy.
Now, being a first-time mom is very scary. However, it's going to be also a very interesting journey because this is the time that you learn about yourself, about your partner, and about your baby. So enjoy the process, be healthy, and be happy.
Do your own research. Study about what you're gonna go through. You're definitely going to have different pregnancies, different experiences when it comes to childbirth and pregnancy. It pays to be confident that you know a lot about these things.
The best person na dapat kasama niya sa journey niya ay ang kanyang asawa. At ang pangalawang best person na pwedeng makasama ng isang nagbubuntis ay ang kanyang doktor. So, ang maaari nating ma-advise sa isang nagbubuntis, listen to your body and communicate with your doctor para mabigyan ka ng guidance.